Today we're going to take a deep dive into the 2025 Toyota Camry, a sedan that continues to build on its reputation for reliability, comfort, and stylish appeal. This latest model brings in some fresh updates that make it more appealing than ever, both in terms of design and performance. Let's start from the outside and work our way in. The exterior of the 2025 Camry showcases a bolder and more athletic design. Toyota has refined the front fascia with a sleeker grille and sharper LED headlights that give the car a more aggressive look. The lines are smooth yet defined, providing a nice balance between sportiness and elegance. The side profile carries a sculpted appearance with aerodynamic curves that enhance both the car's aesthetics and its efficiency on the road. At the back, the taillights have also been redesigned, and the dual exhaust outlets add a sporty touch. Depending on the trim, you can get different alloy wheel designs ranging from 17-inch to 19-inch, each complementing the car's overall look in its own unique way. Moving into the interior, the 2025 Camry impresses with a modern and upscale cabin. Materials feel premium across all trims, with soft touch surfaces and refined stitching giving it a classy feel. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making long drives enjoyable. Higher trims offer leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, and even a panoramic sunroof that enhances the sense of space. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with a floating touchscreen infotainment system ranging from 8 to 12.3 inches depending on the trim. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging are standard, and the upgraded JBL sound system provides a premium audio experience. There's also plenty of room in the rear seats, making it a great choice for families. The trunk offers ample cargo space, and the rear seats can be folded down for additional storage. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Toyota Camry continues to offer multiple engine options to suit different driving preferences. The base model features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a solid mix of power and fuel efficiency. For those looking for more excitement, the 3.5-liter V6 is still available, providing robust acceleration and a smooth ride. Both engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and keeps the car responsive in different driving situations. Toyota has also made improvements to the suspension, giving the Camry a more composed and confident feel on the road, whether you're driving in the city or cruising on the highway. And for the eco-conscious drivers, the hybrid variant remains a strong contender with excellent fuel economy and refined performance. Safety is another strong point, with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 coming standard. This includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and more. The Camry also earned top scores in crash tests, making it one of the safest midsize sedans available in 2025. Now let's talk about pricing. The base trim starts around $27,000, which is quite reasonable considering the features it offers. The mid-level trims like SE and XLE offer more style and comfort, priced between $30,000 to $34,000. If you're aiming for performance and luxury, the XSE and V6 models climb up to around $37,000 to $41,000. The hybrid models also fall within a similar range, providing great value for those looking to save on fuel without compromising on comfort and tech. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Camry is a well-rounded midsize sedan that delivers strong performance, a premium interior, and a stylish exterior, all while maintaining Toyota's legendary reliability. Whether you're buying your first car or looking to upgrade to something more refined, the new Camry is definitely worth considering.